How to contact eBay customer support or customer service. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually contact the customer support for eBay. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, in order to contact the customer support on eBay, I would always recommend you to use the official app itself instead of trying to contact their support from the web browser, because most of the times the web browser would simply lead you to a scam call, which is actually going to let you get scammed. So in order to avoid those type of scam situations, I'll just recommend you to go ahead and then open up the application, which is the eBay application. So once you open up eBay, you can see all this type of various options. Let's say you have some kind of problems with your account and some kind of products, then you just want to report a problem or something like that, then you can easily contact eBay customer care. In order to do that, first of all, on the top left hand side, so go ahead and tap on this little three horizontal bars and you'll see all these options. And over here you'll find all this type of various options over here. So what we will do is we will just go ahead and select settings. As soon as you select settings, what you want to do is you want to actually scroll down and you'll find support and it says customer service. So you just have to go ahead and then tap on customer service. As you tap on customer service, you can see help and contact. So you can look through some of the articles. For example, what kind of problems you have. You could just go ahead and select return an item for a refund. Now you could just go ahead and see what kind of issues you have instead of trying to contact the support team directly. There are lots of articles regarding this, so you can just go ahead and read all those particularly. But if this didn't help you, then you could just select the no button over here and you just need to go ahead and select something else. Or else what you could do is you can see need more help, you could just go ahead and contact the seller or you could email them. So if you want to contact the seller, you could just go ahead and then also contact the seller in this case, and you'll have the contact information. But in order to email them, you just need to go ahead and select the email button over here. So if I come back and you can select email them and you could send them a support ticket request and they're going to get back to you with a positive solution. Or else what you could do is right over here you can see all this type of information. You can just go ahead and see to eBay customer service, subject returning an item, and you could just go ahead and send a copy of your request. Or else there's also another thing you can do. Go to customer service again, and what we will do is we'll scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll select need more help, contact us. Select contact us over here and you can see all this type of various type of updates on which you want to actually get help with. So select any one of the categories depending upon yourself, and now you could go ahead and then simply try to contact the customer care. In that way you'll basically have their email again, which they are going to reply within 24 hours. So this is it. This is how you can actually contact eBay customer service. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.